Hello everyone, welcome back. This is part 1 where we are going to set up the databases according to the diagram that we saw in part 0. So if you have missed part 0, I'll put the link in the description. This is a continuation, so you should go and watch that first. With that, let's fire up our KeepassXC, which is here. Right, so remember the diagram that we had, which was this, right? So we are going to set up, so we are going to simulate like 4 machines, laptop 0, 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to set up master local on each one of them. So let's set this thing up. Go to KeePass, and let's open our database, or let's create a new database. So let's call this laptop 0. I'll just call it L0. Right, just leave everything as it is. Password doesn't matter for this tutorial. I'll just call it 0. So the password's 0. Done. It's asking me where to put it. I'll put it in temp. Oh wait, I'll just put it here. Test. Okay. So test, and this is laptop 0, right? So I'll just make a folder called laptop 0. And this guy resides over here. The database was L0. There you go. And the trick is, don't put anything under root, right? Unless you want to have something exclusively just for this database, do not put anything under root. What we will do is we will immediately create a new group, call it master, say M0, because this belongs to laptop 0. And save this, and we will edit this group, go to key share. Here is the magic. You synchronize it so that the main database or your local database watches this master database and synchronizes changes with it, and we'll give it a path which is here in test laptop 0, and let's call it share and call it master. Right, and the password is M. Okay, so that's our laptop 1 set. Imagine this was machine 1. Let's go to machine 2, which we are virtually going to, and imagine this was machine 2. I'll call it laptop 1 database. Everything's default. The password, I'll just enter 1. You can have different passwords, that's totally fine. Where do you want to put it? I'll put it in new folder, laptop 1, and this is okay, L1. I need to enter this L1, save. Right, and then we quickly create the new group, call it master 1. Okay, and we share master 1. Again, we synchronize our local 1 with master 1, and we'll put it at test laptop 1 share master. Obviously give it the same name over here because this is the file that your sync tool is going to sync, so the names should be consistent, like everybody should name it similarly on their respective machines, right? So you save this, and the password should also be exactly the same, M in our case, because everyone's going to open that database once it is synced across the network, right? So they should all use the same password. Okay, so that's 2. Okay, that's 2 created. So let's create the third one, which is laptop 2. Enter. Password is 2. Done. Let's go here, create this laptop 2, open this, and this guy is L2. Do the same thing, immediately come here, new group, master 2, and we are going to share this master 2 with the network. synchronize, browse, test, laptop 2, call it share again, and master. Give it exactly the same password, master, okay. And finally, we create our final database, which is local 3 on laptop 3. Right, so the password is 3, done. You can keep the same password as well, it doesn't really matter. The locals are all isolated. So laptop 3, right, and we'll call this local 3. And again, immediately create a new group, call it master 3, okay, and edit, key share, synchronize with it. In laptop 3, create a folder called share, because this is the folder that we are going to share, and M is the name of the master password, right? Oh, sorry, the master database. So this is the master, and the password is exactly M. So there you have it. So if I now go to command line, and we'll set home, let me actually make a new split. So home, test, if I do a tree here, there you go. So imagine this is laptop 1, it has a local database L0 and a shared one, which is M, and everybody has their own shared one, which is M, and we are going to sync this M with all the others, right? And the local database, which is L, L2, L3, L1, those are going to remain absolutely isolated. So only laptop 0 can make changes to L0, and so on and so forth, right? So that sets everything up. In the next part, we will set up the sync for syncing these laptops or these virtual laptops, right? Okay, see you then. Bye.